I completely accept myself as I am. I am grateful for everything I have. I am beautiful inside and out. I am brave and courageous. I always stand up for myself. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am self-aware. I feel positive and I attract positivity. I am fearless and powerful. I get stronger every day. I always see the bright side. I go after what makes me happy. I love my body. I am living my dream life. My life is full of happiness and success. I surround myself with people who love and support me. I always make the right decisions. I only attract positive people. I inspire others. I create my own reality. I am always motivated. I am joyful and full of energy. I am limitless. I am loved and admired. I am a strong and a brave woman.